Right, okay. So let's discuss the code, related code quickly. Right. Let's discuss the related code quickly. So now I have to draw the, I have to edit the code by looking at this, and total bill is displayed. That is totally okay. And so here the displaying part, before that the bill calculation is done, then I can check if bill is greater than, this is the addition. So additional code I'm going to write here. So this is extra code. So this red color one, and in between this, you can see the extra code, right? If bill is greater than 10,000, then you have to add the discount. That can be done. Here, you first of all, you have to add a variable called discount. And initially it's 0, but bill is greater than 10, then this discount will be 0.1. And else, if you have to write elif, bill is greater than 2,500, so then also you have to add a discount. That discount is this time 0.05, and else discount is 0. You can add this point or skip. That is up to you, because already it is 0. No need to reassign 0, but it's up to you to add this. So that is the extra code part. Then in addition to final bill, you can see the total bill, and after that you have to show the discounted bill and the discount. Let's say discount. So total bill with a tab, I'm going to display the total bill. With another tab, I'm going to display the discount, and that is bill multiplied by discount, and then final bill. Bill is a tab again, then bill minus bill multiplied by discount. So that is the final bill. Okay, let's run this, and maybe we can put another dash line between this. Okay, just run this code and see whether it's running according to our expectations. Number of pens, pencils, and books, and lunch boxes. And now you can see final bill. This is amount is 8,890, and discounted 444, and discounted bill is this. So this is what we expect. Yes, you can take a screenshot of all together and try this alone. So all together here, I have displayed everything together in the single stream. You can take a screenshot of this and try it alone. Yes, the running window, right? This one. Everything together is here, so you can just try and get the same results. If there are questions, you can forward it to me or to the group. Done. Okay, then with that, I'm going to stop for today. Let's discuss the remaining part next day. Now we have done up to sequence and selection. Next day, we will finish up to repetition. So repetition is a serious one. So don't be absent next day. So because in the recording, you won't be able to capture that easily. So we participate to the class and learn, right? So don't be absent. Okay, then good night. See you all next week. Bye.